everyone, welcome back to another one of my hair videos. If you're new here, my name is Nae, and in this video I'll be showing you how I achieved this super cute hairstyle using a headband wig. Could you imagine, guys? The hair company that I'll be working with today is Julia Hair Company, so shout out to them for sending me this unit. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got in my package. So I received a wig cap, a bag with goodies, so I got a melt band, some lashes, a makeup brush, a bonnet. I got like 3 different headbands, and of course I got the wig itself. So this is a 24-inch water wave headband wig. Water wave is one of my favorite curls, guys. So I'm just showing you guys the headband that you're gonna use to attach onto your head. It has some combs, so there's a comb at the top, there's 2 combs at the side and 1 at the back, and you also have the adjustable band inside the wig as well. So this is how the inside of the wig looks, and the hair was nice and soft. It was beautiful, guys. So make sure you check out the description box for all the details on this unit, and we're gonna jump straight into this tutorial. So guys, I'm going to be making a part from ear to ear, and the front section is where I'll have the braids and the elastic bands, and the back section is where I will have the headband wig. So of course we work with one section at a time, so I'm just cutting away the top portion. I also parted out a section for my leave out, so that's what you see me doing right now. This portion is going to go on top of the headband wig. So now I'm parting out another section, and this is for my anchor braid. So I'm just making a part across the back section of my head, and I'm going to make a small braid going across, and then I'm going to attach it in the back when I do the back braid. But this braid is where I will be attaching the headband wig on. So the headband area is going to be sewn down onto this braid. So I find it very important to do this braid, because if you just braid the hair straight back, it's going to be harder to attach the wig on. Next, I'll be parting the back portion down the middle. I'm only going to be doing 2 braids in the back. So I'm going to put 1 big braid on one side and another big braid on the next side. Trust me, guys, it will not be bulky. The hair is already curly, so I find this way easier. Plus, if your hair is flat ironed, it makes it even easier. So I attach the small braid into this big braid, the less ends, less problems. So I'm using an elastic band to attach my ends together, and then my ends are going to sit down inside the cap. So what I'm doing now is I'm attaching the headband wig together, and I'm also putting in the adjustable bands as tight as it can go. So guys, you want to tuck the headband in, because it's really just going to lay down on top of the braid. So I used the comb at the back to make sure it's centered in the middle, because the comb is already in the middle, and then I just placed the headband wig on top. So what I did was I folded the headband underneath the wig, and then I'm going in with my needle and thread, and I'm just going to sew around that braid that I put, the anchor braid, that I did is what I'm gonna sew the wig on. So once you finish sewing, you just want to make a knot, that way it doesn't loosen, and that is basically it. My wig is nice and secure, and this is basically how it looks. So I'm gonna part back that slim piece of hair to put over the wig as my leave out, and then I'm going to start at the front. So I'm going to start by making a part down the middle. So once I've got my part, I'm just going to put one side of my hair away, and I'm going to work with the next side first. So you always want to brush out any hairs that you're leaving out, because I am going to be using edge control, and you don't want the edge control to get on any baby hairs or anything like that. So next I'm going to part out the sections that I'll be using. I'll be doing 3 different sections. 2 sections will have elastic bands and 1 will have a braid. So that's what you see me parting out now. So I'm going in with my ebon edge control, and I'm putting it on my part because I like when my part looks nice and crisp, and I feel like that's what the edge control does to it.
Baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now.
So I'm going to be working with this middle section first, and that's where I'm going to be doing my braid. So I'm just using my edge control, and I'm putting it all over that parting and making sure it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go ahead and use some expression just braiding hair to add in to this portion. So I'll be doing a feed and braid. For the sections that I'm going to do the elastic bands with, I'm going to part it into two. And I'm going to use my edge control, of course, and slick it. And then I'm going to add elastics on both sides. So this side is going to have 4 elastic bands, and I'm going to do a crisscross. So I'm splitting the part down the middle, and then I'm going to add 2 elastic bands to the front, and then I'm going to do a crisscross, and there's going to be 2 elastic bands at the back.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first.
So the third section, I'm going to also add edge control and part into 2. And this section is going to have 3 elastic bands, so I'm going to do the crisscross 2 times instead of 1. So guys, this is how it is looking. The same thing I did on this side is the same thing I'm going to do on the next side. So this is the final look for the front portion of my hair. And now I'm just going to go ahead and work on the ends. So what I'm going to do now is take some of the weave and my hair, and I'm using my crimping iron. I will have it down in the description box below in case any of you guys are interested. And I'm going to go ahead and crimp my hair with the extensions so that it has a better blend. And I'm going to do this for all of the front portion of my hair. So I'm just showing you the difference between how it looks straight and how it looks when I use the waver. So now I'm going in with my small flat iron and I'm just gonna curl the hairs that I left out at the front. Once I've curled the front portion, I'm just going in with my ebon edge control and I'm only putting it on the top portion. I'm leaving my ends out because I like to have that little fluffy look. So I'm using my edge control brush and I am just doing my edges the way I like them. So guys, once the baby hairs are done, this is basically it. Hopefully you guys like this hairstyle. It was definitely different for me. I like trying different hairstyles. So if you guys like this hairstyle, make sure you like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know that you guys are feeling it. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed to my channel and you've been watching this long, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I have plenty more videos coming. And don't forget to check out my description box on this wig because you can wear it as a headband wig and you can wear it in other ways, just like how you're seeing now. So I'm just giving you guys a closer look. Shout out again to Julia Hair Company for sending over this wig. All the details once again will be down in my description box below. So if you're interested, make sure you go ahead and check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.